Hello, and welcome to my kitchen. Let's dive into the recipe. Take 6 small chicken fillets. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like as it's the best reward from you. Make cuts on them as shown in the video. This helps the fillets cook evenly and allows the flavors to penetrate deeper. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from? It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Place a slice of Swiss cheese on each fillet. Take 1 mango. Cut half into small pieces. The second half of the mango will be useful to us later. If you have any questions about the recipe, write to me and I will answer as soon as I see it in the comment. Put several slices of mango into each chicken fillet. The combination of savory cheese and sweet mango adds a delightful contrast of flavors. Then prepare a bacon strips. Wrap each chicken fillet with 2 strips of bacon. The bacon not only adds a rich, smoky flavor but also helps keep the chicken moist during baking. Take a baking dish. Grease it with olive oil to prevent the chicken rolls from sticking. This also adds a subtle flavor to the dish. Place chicken rolls into the baking dish. Then place a few sprigs of oregano on top of the chicken rolls before baking. Bake the chicken rolls in a preheated oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Take 3 sweet potatoes. Cut it into slices. Transfer them to a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Toss the sweet potato slices with the seasonings until they are evenly coated. These seasonings enhance the natural sweetness of the potatoes and add depth of flavor. Place the seasoned sweet potato slices in a single layer in a baking dish. Bake the sweet potatoes in a preheated oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes or until they are tender and caramelized. Now it's time to make mango salsa. Take the other half of the mango and dice it into small cubes. Finely chop 1 shallot. Add it to the diced mango in a bowl. Finely chop 7 cherry tomatoes. Finely chop a bunch of fresh cilantro. These ingredients add vibrant color and fresh flavor to the salsa. Pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then squeeze the juice of 1/4 of lime over the mango, shallot, tomatoes, and cilantro. This adds brightness and acidity to balance the sweetness of the mango. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the salsa and stir well to combine all the ingredients. Adjust the seasoning to taste, if necessary. By following these detailed steps, you'll create a harmonious combination of flavors and textures that will delight your taste bud. And there you have it. Take out those cheesy bacon-wrapped delights, plate them up with sweet potatoes and fresh mango salsa, and get ready for a burst of flavors. Thanks for joining me today on my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!